Hey everyone, and welcome to Owl the Storyteller. We're traveling back in time to the Victorian era, specifically the 1860s, to uncover the secrets of their amazing hairstyles and hats. Imagine a time without hair dryers or curling irons. Getting the perfect hairstyle was a real art, requiring tons of patience and skill. Get ready to be amazed by the creativity and elegance of Victorian fashion. Let's start with the Apollo knot, a hairstyle named after the Greek god of music and beauty. It's as timeless as its namesake. Imagine this: hair parted down the middle, smoothly combed back, and gathered into a low bun at the nape of the neck. Simple, right? But so elegant. The Apollo knot was more than just a hairstyle. It represented the classic Victorian woman, refined, graceful, and totally captivating. But what if you wanted something a bit fancier? The 1860s had you covered with beautiful ringlets and curls that framed the face like a golden halo. Each curl was carefully created using heated tongs or by leaving rag curls in overnight. It was a lot of work, but the results were stunning. These curls added a touch of softness and youthfulness to the otherwise serious Victorian look. They could be worn loose and flowing or pinned up in elaborate styles for special occasions. Now, let's talk about braids. We can't forget these woven wonders. In the skilled hands of a lady's maid, hair became a work of art. Picture intricate fishtail braids woven through loose waves or delicate plaits styled into a crown on top of the head. These braids weren't just pretty, they also added height and volume to hairstyles. They were like the secret support system for some of the most impressive hairdos. Each braid was unique, showing off the skill of the hairdresser and the personal style of the woman wearing it. Ever wonder how Victorian ladies got their hair so big and full? The answer? False hair and padding. It was the secret weapon for achieving those amazing hairstyles. They used extra hair to create hairpieces, rats, yes, rats, and pads to add volume and shape. These additions were cleverly hidden under their real hair, making it look totally natural. A simple bun could become a grand masterpiece with a well-placed hairpiece. What's a great hairstyle without the perfect hat? In the 1860s, the bonnet was the must-have accessory. But these weren't your average hats. Bonnets were fashion statements, like tiny works of art. They were made from luxurious fabrics like silk, straw, or velvet, and decorated with ribbons, flowers, or lace. Bonnets were also a symbol of respectability, showing a woman's place in society. While bonnets were perfect for daytime, evenings called for something more glamorous. Imagine a ballroom lit by candlelight, with ladies dressed in beautiful gowns, their hair sparkling with tiaras. They looked like royalty. These tiaras weren't just pretty. They were a symbol of wealth and status, often passed down through families. Hair combs, made from materials like tortoiseshell, ivory, or silver, added a touch of elegance to any evening outfit. No Victorian lady would leave the house without the final touches, a parasol and a veil. A delicate parasol, held high to shield from the sun, was a symbol of femininity. Veils, made from fine fabrics and often decorated with lace, added an air of mystery to a woman's look. They provided a sense of privacy and modesty in a world that often felt very public. From elaborate hairstyles to beautiful bonnets, the Victorian era was a time of incredible creativity and attention to detail. Each curl, braid, and accessory had a story to tell, giving us a glimpse into the lives and values of the people who lived then. Victorian hairstyles and headpieces remind us that even the smallest details can have a big impact. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Victorian fashion. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time.